Why Canva colors print wrong? If your Canva design looks bright on screen but prints dull or slightly different, the problem is usually RGB versus CMYK. Screens use RGB colors, but printers use CMYK ink, and those color systems don't always match. On screen, Canva shows colors using RGB, the same color system used by phones and monitor. That's why colors can look very vibrant while you're designing. But printers work differently. They use CMYK ink, that's cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, because inks mixes differently than lights. Printed colors often appear slightly darker. So a bright neon blue on screen might appear as a deeper blue on paper. To reduce color surprises, avoid extremely bright neon colors in designs meant for prints. Choose slightly deeper tones. They tend to print closer to what you see on screen. When downloading your file, choose PDF print. So click on share, click on download, select PDF print. This keeps the highest print quality for professional printers. If your Canva colors print differently, it's usually not a mistake. It's the difference between RGB screens and CMYK printers. Next video, I'll show you the exact DPI settings that keep Canva prints sharp and professional.